Hi, today I'm from OPPO Reno 10 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and you'll find here all of the available options. If you wanna add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons here, you should click to the three dots, tap to edit titles. Here we got this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should just click on each of these icons to add them. If you want to remove some of them, by the same way, click on each of the icons to remove. To change the positions on the icons, we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. To reset all of the changes, click to these three dots and tap to reset, or to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.